This Coldwell Banker Schmitt Real Estate Company property video is presented by Jamie Engel. Welcome to 124 Bahama Road, a breathtaking waterfront oasis nestled in the heart of Key Largo, Florida, where luxury meets tranquility. This stunning single-family residence boasts a unique split floor plan spread across 2 levels, offering versatility and privacy for both family and guests. As we step inside, the upper level greets us with 2 beautifully appointed bedrooms and 2 full baths, each space drenched in natural light and designed with comfort in mind. Descending to the lower level, we discover an additional 2 bedrooms and 2 full baths, ensuring ample space for relaxation and retreat. Every detail in this home speaks of quality and elegance, from the crown molding adorning the ceilings to the exquisite quartz countertops and gas stove that make the kitchen a chef's delight. Outside, your private paradise awaits. An inviting in-ground pool beckons you to bask in the Florida sun, while the 60 feet of dockage with 2 boat lifts offers endless ocean adventures right from your backyard. 124 Bahama Road isn't just a home, it's a lifestyle, a place where every moment is a celebration of the serene beauty and vibrant spirit of Key Largo. Imagine your life here, at 124 Bahama Road, where every day is a journey of discovery and every sunset is a reminder of the beauty that surrounds you. Your dream home awaits. Contact us today to schedule a private tour of this Key Largo masterpiece. Experience the beauty, the luxury, and the tranquility of 124 Bahama Road. For more information, review the details below or contact Jamie Engel at 305-394-2500.